What is AI anyway? You've heard about AI everywhere. ChatGPT, self-driving cars, Netflix recommendations. But most people think AI is just one thing. It's not. It's an entire ecosystem like a city, with different people doing different jobs. Let me show you how it actually works. First, meet the builders. These are the researchers and engineers at companies like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic. Their job is to create the AI brains. They feed AI billions of examples of human writings, images, and data so it learns patterns, like teaching a kid to recognize a dog by showing them 1,000 pictures of dogs, except the kid reads the entire internet. This process is called training. It costs millions of dollars and takes massive computers called GPUs to pull it off. Next, the deployers. These are companies that take the AI brain that the builders made and plug it into products you actually use. Spotify uses AI to recommend music. Snapchat uses it for filters. Schools use it for tutoring tools. They're not building the AI from scratch. They're using it as an engine and building a car around it. The AI brain is called a model. The product built on top, that's the application. And this is where it gets wild because the user isn't always a person. Sometimes it's you asking ChatGPT for help with an essay. But sometimes it's a hospital AI reading your x-ray before a doctor even looks at it, or a bank AI deciding whether to approve your loan. AI is making decisions that affect real people, which is why the next group matters. Meet the watchdogs, governments and researchers asking the hard question. Is this AI fair? Is it biased? Could it be used to make harm? Here's the problem. AI learns from human data, and humans have biases. So if you train an AI on a historical hiring data where mostly men got promoted, then the AI might keep promoting men. The watchdogs are trying to write rules before problems get out of hand. Some countries are ahead of others on this. Here's the part most people miss. These four groups don't work in isolation. They form a loop. Builders make the model, deployers build the projects, and users give feedback by how they use it. Watchdogs spot the problems, and then builders go back and improve the model. When it works well, it's a feedback loop that makes AI more useful and safer over time. When it breaks, like when the builders move too fast or watchdogs are too slow, things go wrong. And this isn't just a Silicon Valley thing anymore. AI is in the healthcare in Africa, agriculture in India, education in Brazil. Every country is figuring out how to use it, build it, and regulate it. The decisions being made right now by the builders, deployers, and watchdogs will shape what your world looks like in the next 10 years. So next time someone says AI is going to change everything, or AI is dangerous, or AI is amazing, you'll know it's not one thing. It's a whole system of humans and machines making decisions together. Drop a comment which part of the AI ecosystem you think needs the most attention. Like and subscribe if this actually made sense.